Hi, this is Nasrin Vaslu. We are learning Python in easy way. Today our agenda is introduction to Python, how to install the Python in our computer and first program, how to implement a first program in Python. Actually, Python is a high-level interpreted, object-oriented and interactive scripting language. It is not only scripting language, it is also programming language. Why it is Python is a general purpose language? Why? Because we can implement GUI, graphical user interface, web applications, and we can implement data science related projects like machine learning models. We can do such things. We can implement statistic modeling in very easy way in Python, and it is easy to learn and easy to understand also. Python is an interpreted language. Why? Because the program which is written in Python is processed at runtime. We don't need to compile Python program before executing. Actually, in Java, we have to compile Java program before it executing. And it is also a interactive language. Why we said that interactive means we can interact with the interpreter directly by using the Python prompt. It is also support object-oriented style such as it supports class, object, inheritance, polymorphism. Those things it will support. We can encapsulate entire program within the objects in Python. Now we will learn about how to install Python in our computer. I have Python in my computer, but I will show you how to install that in our computer. First we have to open browser, and in Google we have to search download Python. If it is a Windows version, then we have to use for Windows, or Mac, or anything. We can write search based on the operating system. My system is Windows, so I'm using Python related to Windows operating system. We will get suggestions from the Google, and we have to open the official website www.python.org. When we click on the first link, we will navigate the download page. In download, we can see the latest version of the Python for Windows. Here, the Python version is 3.95. In my computer, I am having 3.8 version. If you want to download this one, just we have to click on this one. Already I have. After that, we have to click on save. Already I downloaded that thing, that software in my computer. This is the software, and we have to click on this one to install Python in our computer. We will get this window. In this window, we have to choose install now. After that, we have to click on yes. It will take some time to install in our computer. Why everyone is using Python? Because it is having its own forms, like we can get any solution related to Python from that forms, and there are lots of libraries also there to write the code very easily way. We don't need to write from scratch. We can use that packages to execute the program very quickly, and to write the code very quickly, and it will reduce the development time, project development time. Now we had download our Python in our computer. Just we have to just close the window. After that, if we want to open the Python environment, we have to search for Python in ID. It is a IDLE. We have to click on that one. It will open our Python environment. It is a Python shell. We can write code in Python. I already said that we will learn first how to implement first program in Python. We don't need to write any function, any structure. We don't need to follow any structure in Python. Just we will send one statement and we will get the output. For example, I will perform the calculations in this one in the present. If I want to know the sum of two numbers, just I have to give number to plus another number. Just click enter. We will get the result. Here we are not using any variable initialization, any print statement. Just it will interact with the interpreter and automatically it will send the results as output. We can perform any operations directly in Python shell. If you want to print any statement, just we have to use print statement. Print, print. In print, we have to give string which we want to print. String will be represented in between single quotes or double quotes. In Python, we can use both single quotes or double quotes. Now I am showing you with using the double quotes. I am printing hello world. Close double close and close parenthesis. Just enter. It will print hello world. We can use single quotes also. It will print hello world. Suppose if we have any apostrophe in our hello in our string, then we have to use double quotes. For example, print. I want to print its. Here in its we have single quotes. So Python environment will think that this is the starting and this is the ending. It is not think that it is related to this word. So here we have to use double quotes. It will print its. Otherwise it will show error. That's all guys. Tomorrow we will discuss about data structures in Python. Thank you.